side, Mason. Good job. Good idea. Where'd that go? Want it over there? Don't touch the screws, Mason. Please put them down. Mason. Thank you. You gonna put it over there? You're such a good helper.
Mason, what are you doing?
Oh, he's gonna lose the screws. Do you have two? Alright, put them down, please. Right here. Can you put them down? No, not in the holes. Just right here. Good job. Here, use your screwdriver and go screw something in. Oh, no, wait. Here, let me take that screw. Thank you very much.